So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, festive season arrives. So this is a festive makeup look video for beginners in under rupees 300. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click on that button and press the bell icon below. Please. And yeah, without wasting no more time, let's just get into the video. So first we start with moisturizing our skin. So for that you are using aloe vera gel and a moisturizer. So apply aloe vera gel on your face and then massage it well and let it absorb on your skin. And after that apply any moisturizer or cream if you have dry skin like me. So yeah. So for the next step we are applying Pond's BB cream. Yes, it works so good for my skin and it is so lightweight. Then हमें फाउंडेशन की कोई नीड नहीं है and it is a beginner makeup look, so BB is the best. So yeah, apply little amount on your face and then blend it well. If you have a blender then use it. I like using fingers more because उससे अच्छे से blend हो जाता है. उसके बाद अच्छे से blend होने के बाद हमें compact powder लगाना है to set our makeup, like जितना भी base अभी तक किया है. So I use Maybelline compact powder and use your compact powder जो भी आपको सूट कर रहा है तो आप उसे अच्छे से लगा लो like this and let it set. After that अब हम eyebrow करेंगे. So eyebrow के लिए I'm using this palette. I mention all the link in the description box, so don't worry. So I take these two dark shade and just fill my eyebrow. Like you need to follow your eyebrow shape, that's it. अपनी eyebrow shape को just fill करो और बस हो जाता है काम. मैंने भी ऐसे ही सीखा. So yeah, after doing my eyebrow like this, let's move on to the eyes. So for eyes I'm using this blush palette of Swiss Beauty and this pink color because I love pink, like everybody loves pink. So yes, just apply pink color on like this pink blush on all your eyes. If you like to use brush तो आप उससे भी कर सकते हो. I like to use fingers, तो ऐसे. उसके बाद आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप लिपस्टिक भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, ज़रूरी नहीं है ब्लशर होना, पिंक लिपस्टिक भी चलेगी, सेम वर्क करता है. So yeah, after that as you can see there is pink blush on my as my eyeshadow. So yeah, after that as this is a festive look, so थोड़ा glitter तो चाहिए ही ना. So I'm using this palette for little bit of sparkle, like sparkle effect मानसी sparkle, like sparkle kind of look. समझ रहे हो ना आप, बस समझ रहे हो ना. So yeah, आफ्टर डैट अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें लाइनर लगाना है. सो लाइनर के लिए आई एम यूजिंग लैक्मे इंस्टा eyeliner. So this is the best eyeliner of the world, like in history, like कुछ भी बोल रहे हो, but this works the best for everyone if you know how to use it. So yeah, do the same for your another eye also. And yeah, this is the look after applying eyeliner. So now we are using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara for lashes, and then we are applying kajal and Colossal kajal. And yeah, for kajal आपको half eye में लगाना है if you have small eyes like me. मेरी बहुत small है, so because it makes your eyes look bigger, as you can see the difference. So yeah, apply kajal in both your eyes. Yeah, like this, and then move on to the lipstick part. For that I'm using that Swiss Beauty matte lipstick. Sorry for the black. So yes, let's just apply your lipstick like this. I'm very bad with this. So yeah, after that we are moving on to the blush part. So yeah, for that I'm using the same Swiss Beauty palette and then pink shade, you know, pink. So yeah, apply little amount on your cheeks like this. After that we are applying highlighter with the same palette, the shimmer shade. Yeah, I'm using my finger for this. Apply little amount on your lips and little on your nose and little on your eyes like this. जितना अमाउंट आपको चाहिए आप उतना लगा लो. And little amount on your cheeks like this. As you can see the instant shine on my face. So yeah, this is the difference. So yeah, ready. And then please subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Also follow me on Instagram. Please, please, please.